washing things. Reduce waste by using handkerchiefs and hand towel. Napkins. At home, school and college. To convert it into a useful commodity. Leave open space in the compound of my house for rainwater. Ground. Plant and grow herbs, flowering plants and trees, and dispose of it in notified bins. Avoid plastic, tin cans and packets during picnics and travel. To protect us, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures as envisaged in Article 51A. Fundamental duties of the citizens of the Constitution of India. Thank you.
ಹೌದ್ರಾ